Welcome back to Premium Option, the YouTube channel designed to help you learn and profit in the stock market and options trading. Now, today we're going to be doing a very quick video on how to do cash secured puts on Webull. For a lot of new people or people just starting to use Webull, it could be a little confusing, so I want this video to help clarify it. Now, if you're brand new to this channel and you do find any value from this or any of our other videos, I'd really appreciate if you could go subscribe to our YouTube channel because it helps it out so much, and I would really appreciate that from you guys. And on top of that, we do have a completely free Discord for brand new members, so if you're interested in getting market updates, trades, live trades, things like that, then you can go join in the description down below. Completely free for you guys, and we'd also appreciate that if you joined as well. Okay, so enough with the shameless plugs. Let's actually talk about how you can do cash secured puts on Webull. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Webull account and make sure you have options trading enabled. And then once you do that, you're going to want to go and pick a stock that you want to do, or just find any type of stock. So the one that I really like, at least currently, is ChargePoint, and you want to pick a stock that you're at least bullish on, or you just want to get at a discount. For me, I like ChargePoint because they're an EV stock, and EV is going to be pretty big in the next few years for many different reasons, but that's beside the point. So the next thing you want to do is you want to come to your options tab. So the first thing that's probably going to pop up for you is this chart. Now, typically, if you're using the default screen, you're going to see all the way at the top a bunch of these tabs. You're going to want to click on options. Once you've clicked on options, you're going to want to scroll over or just click on single option. Now, they give you a bunch of different default and preset options trading strategies, but for you, you're just going to do a single option because you're going to be doing cash secured put, and you only need single option. So you're going to click that. And then you're going to want to click on, this is where you can change your strike prices if you only want to see a few or 20 or custom. It really doesn't matter, but I would just click on 10 or 20. And then you're going to want to make sure you're clicked on puts. Sometimes it'll give you both or calls. You're going to want to make sure you're only on puts for this one so you don't confuse yourself. The next thing you're going to want to do, and this is pretty important, is you're going to see right here a expiration or a date. If you click on that, it's going to show you all the expirations for this, and as you can see, ChargePoint is a weekly. So you're just going to want to click your expiration. Typically for cash secured puts, anything 30 days and greater is pretty good for you because you'll get higher premiums and you won't see that theta decay right away. So let's just pick this 33-day expiration at August 27th. Once you click on that, it's going to pull up the options chain, and from here you can then go ahead and pick your strike price. So I'm going to change this back to 20 just to show us more options. So once you've clicked your strike price or whatever you're looking for, there's just a couple of things that I really like to look at. Now, the first thing that I really like looking at is making sure that the strike price is a little bit far away from the share price. Now, it also depends on implied volatility and other things like that, which for this stock, it's a little bit more new, so it doesn't really show it as of right now. Another really important thing for me is the delta, which you can find in this tab right here. And that's because the lower the delta in this, when you're doing cash secured puts or selling puts, the lower the delta, the lower the likeliness of you actually getting assigned. Now, this entire strategy is only for you to collect premium, so if that's the entire purpose of it, you want there to be a less likeliness of you actually getting assigned. So anything for me personally is 0.3 and below. Then you're going to want to make sure the bid-ask spread isn't too far apart. Obviously, for a stock like this that it isn't very popular, it's going to be a little bit higher than a stock like Ford, Nike, Apple, Amazon, whatever it may be. But you just want to make sure the bid-ask isn't too far because this is what you're going to be paying the difference in order to get in and out of these trades. And lastly, another really good thing that you want to do is look at the open interest and the volume. If there's a lot of open interest and volume, it's going to be easier for you to get in and out of these trades. But if you were to scroll down and do a 17 cash secured put, nobody is in that trade. There's no volume there. So the bid-ask spread is going to be way higher, or it's just not going to be available at all. So that's just something you want to take into account as well. Finally, once you've picked your strike price and you click on it, you can click on the bid and it's going to auto-populate down here for you. So we'll change this to 1. So you just want to double check before you actually go into this and place your order, but you're going to want to make sure you're on single option, you're on the right symbol or stock price. Then you want to make sure your strike price is accurate along with your expiration. You want to always double check that you're doing a sell and a put because this could throw you off. You could be selling a call. You always just want to double check this. The quantity is the amount of shares that you're going to be doing, and then you're probably going to want to do a limit order. And one really important thing is when it says limit price, instead of auto populating it for yourself, now this is just personal preference, I would click on this little pencil and then do the mid price. The mid price will then change where you're going to get in, and that's usually in between the bid and the ask. And then this is time until expiration. So if you want to do it at the day or good till canceled, which is typically around 90 days, totally up to you. And then before you place your order, you want to make sure you understand how much premium you're getting, make sure it's the right stock, and are you okay with this? And as you can see, we're going to be getting a credit of $140 for this cash secured put. And you can also click on these little arrows to see a couple of other things, like the break-even price, the max loss, and the max profit. So that was the entire video. It's very simple, very quick. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I hope you guys found some value in this. And if you did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really does help it out. And again, one last shameless plug. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the description down below. But until the next video, I'll see you guys then. Peace.